Making Your Mark, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, dear viewers. In today's video, we will delve into the fascinating phrase, making one's mark. This expression is widely used in English to describe an important aspect of personal and professional life. Let's explore what it truly means to make your mark and how you can apply this in your daily life. The phrase, making one's mark, refers to the act of achieving something significant or leaving a lasting impression in a particular field or area of life. It's about creating a legacy or doing something memorable that people will recognize and remember. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal achievements to significant contributions in one's career. Historically, the term originates from the times when few people could read or write. Individuals would make their mark by signing documents with a distinct personal symbol or mark. This mark represented their identity and commitment. Over time, the phrase evolved to symbolize making a significant or recognizable contribution to something larger than oneself. Making one's mark can be seen in numerous aspects of life. In careers, it might mean achieving remarkable success, innovating in your field, or being recognized by your peers for your contributions. In academia, making your mark could involve publishing influential research, contributing new knowledge, or inspiring students. In personal growth, it could mean overcoming challenges, reaching personal goals, or positively impacting the lives of those around you. Making your mark is not just about achieving fame or recognition. It's about creating real value and impact. Here are some tips. Pursue your passions and interests with dedication and perseverance. Seek opportunities for growth, learning, and making a positive difference. Be authentic and true to your values and beliefs, as this authenticity will shine through in your actions. Collaborate and connect with others, as relationships and networks can amplify your impact. Making one's mark is a powerful concept that embodies achievement, legacy, and personal fulfillment. Whether in your career, studies, or personal life, remember that making your mark is about creating lasting value and impact. We hope this video has inspired you to think about how you can make your mark in the world. Keep striving, keep growing, and remember, every mark made is a step toward a more meaningful life. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.